Homemade chili is so easy, y'all. We don't have to buy no more cans. So homemade chili is so easy, y'all. I mean, so easy. You're gonna need some chili powder, of course, onion, garlic. It could be minced or you can chop it yourself. It's all up to you. I'm gonna add some Worcestershire sauce to it, ketchup and mustard. You're gonna need some chicken seasoning, salt and pepper. As you can see, I am using ground turkey, but you can definitely use ground beef. I just been using ground turkey forever. You're gonna chop your onion up really fine, y'all. I got a video on how to chop an onion up, or just like chopping your vegetables better. So get that onion chopped down really good. And also, if you go into the grocery store now, they have a pre-chopped onion. So definitely get those convenience products. It will make your life so much easier. If you don't like onion, you don't have to use onion. So I took some grease and I had just sauteed my onions off. You want to make sure you saute them down till they are really soft, because I don't want like a crunchy onion in the chili. So I know this looks weird, but you need to add a little bit of water to your ground meat. That creates the sauce, y'all. So it sounds weird, but trust me, you can actually mix the water up into the meat more if you want. I've done that. It comes out really good, but you have to get those granules really small. So if you don't like garlic, it's that's a little bit sketchy to me, but you don't have to use it. But I do like to use the minced garlic because it kind of melts better down into any dish you're using it in. Now you got to go in with some ketchup and some mustard. These two ingredients are not up for debate, y'all. Like, you got to use this in your chili. It's no substitution. So get you some regular ketchup and some regular mustard. Add in as much as you like. The mustard will definitely add more tang. So if you want like a more sweeter chili, use less mustard, but you do need it. And then we're going to go in with the star ingredient is chili powder. So you got to use chili powder in your chili to give it that smoky depth of flavor. And now we're going to go in with our Worcestershire sauce. Yes, Worcestershire sauce. Say it with me. But yes, you need Worcestershire sauce because it adds in also another depth of flavor, and it helps round out your chili. It really does. It's totally optional. It really is, but I like to use chicken seasoning versus salt when I'm doing like a lot of savory meat dishes, because it adds just more flavor than just salt. So chicken seasonings, the beef bouillon seasonings, all those mixes are really well to add into your savory dishes. It just adds a whole bunch of flavor, y'all. So don't sleep on your bouillon powders, all those different flavor bases. Yeah, that's that flavor. So now I'm going to add a little bit of black garlic powder. I really like this seasoning. I found it in my grocery store and I've just been hooked. But it is like a regular garlic powder, but it has like a lot more character than your regular garlic powder. It is a little bit saltier. So again, when you're using this seasoning along with salt, you kind of got to be mindful. So this chili sauce is perfect for hamburgers, hot dogs, chili cheese fries, chili cheese tots, anything that you want to add chili to. This would be that perfect addition. So I'm going to let y'all pick out y'all own hot dogs, but y'all know what I'm going with, that turkey hot dogs over here. And I like to boil my hot dogs first, and then I add a little oil to the pan and let them like crisp up, or like just get that skin a little bit more crispy. I seen a little trick done by another YouTuber, and they split their hot dogs down the middle, and it allows for all of that goodness that you're layering on top to kind of get in on the inside too. So I love that trick, y'all. Split your hot dogs down the middle and then proceed to topping them. With your toppings, you can get creative. I love this stuff called chow chow. It is like a relish, but it's like a sweeter relish, and it's not just cucumbers or pickle base, but it's some more stuff up in there, y'all. I don't want to mess it up, but that chow chow is amazing. I love a little bit of raw onion on my hot dog. My husband, he opts for just mayo and ketchup, but I love chili, mustard, and onion on my hot dog the best. And remember, if you're liking the vibes, like, comment, and subscribe.